I beg your pardon, we have to go quickly to this breaking news that's coming in from the valley, where there's been a surprising turn of events. The daughter of jailed separatist leader Sarjan Barkati has filed for nomination papers on his behalf for the upcoming elections in Shopian, and this will be in fact involving her leading his campaign from the ground. In fact, the family of Sarjan Barkati, who's jailed under anti-national charges, his daughter has filed the nomination papers for him from Shopian today. This is an interesting development that's coming in from Shopian. My colleague Ishan has more details. Yes, Ishan.
Sarjan Barkati has been accused of being instrumental in trying to propagate separatism and also instigating violence in Jammu and Kashmir. He has been arrested multiple times, and his name propped up first in 2016 when Hizbul Mujahideen commander Burhan Wani was killed, and after that there were massive street protests that took place in parts of South Kashmir, and he was seen one of those who was instrumental in clearing up these protests. He was arrested after that, and later on he was released. But in 2023, the state investigation unit again arrested him on charges of trying to crowdfund and then generating money, and alleging him for using that money to radicalize and also to further spread the separatism in Jammu and Kashmir. He is under custody. His wife has also been detained, but his children are now carrying out campaign for him. They believe that the momentum that they had seen in terms of when Engineer Rashid was again in jail for a UAPA case, and then his children also had a similar kind of strategy of trying to campaign and then use that campaign to ensure that their father is released. Okay. And they are trying to have a similar campaign so that their father could be released. But there are stringent and strong charges against Sarjan Barkati. They have filed the nomination papers yesterday. He's under UAPA. Detention has taken place in 2023, and charges have been leveled against him, which are very strong. But one has to wait and see that will he be able to win any seat from Shopian. But his daughter is now leading that particular campaign for him. There is a strong competition in that constituency, but one has to wait and see, because there are a lot of separatists, former separatists or Jamaat-e-Islami leaders who have been alleged of being instrumental in propagating separatism of Jammu and Kashmir from the rest of India, that they are trying to come to mainstream.
Absolutely.
Which government says is a positive
Absolutely.
signal.
And we do know, Ishan, how BJP candidate Javed Ahmed Qadri is going to be contesting from Shopian. At least that's what is the name announcement that's coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party. Him against independent candidates like Sarjan Barkati. It will be an interesting contest to see. We leave it at that. Thank you so much for that, Ishan. We are quickly moving to this next piece of breaking news that's coming in from Gujarat. Amid massive flooding in the state, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken stock of the situation. In fact, Centre has assured all possible assistance. My colleague Payal Mehta has more details. Payal, this was something that the Prime Minister was closely monitoring. This is his state that we're talking about. Massive flooding that's being reported. Now the Centre assuring all possible assistance and help is a significant development.
Well, of course, we see flooding happening in Gujarat. We've seen heavy rainfall, especially in the Saurashtra region, in areas around Jamnagar, etc. And of course, all possible help has been extended to the state by the centre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dialing Bhupendra Patel, the Chief Minister, to take stock of the situation. We already know that the central administration is also in touch with them. The NDRF and the other resources have also been put out for the help of the entire state where flooding has been seen. Union Home Minister Mr. Ambedkar has also constantly been in touch with the administration there. So obviously the situation which is caused because of natural, because of nature's fury. So obviously the centre stands shoulder to shoulder with the state there.
Right, Payal, thank you so much for joining us with all the latest on this. And on that note, we are slipping into a very short break and coming right back with lots more that's in store for you on CNN News 18. Stay tuned.